Hey everyone, I'm over here at Lessord Chrysler Products in Sodus, New York, looking at a used 2005 Dodge Dakota in a nice blue color. You do have a cap on the back of the truck. This truck's in pretty good shape. Let's go over and check out the interior here. Manual windows and locks on this, only 84,000 miles. AM/FM radio, you have your overhead lights, rear view mirror, temperature controls, lots of little storage spaces and plug-ins down here. So come on down to 49 West Main Street in Sodus, New York and test drive this Dodge Dakota today. This truck's in great shape, so we hope to see you in our showroom soon.